Ako lang po.
Ate, ako lang. Ako walang ginawa sa amin lahat. Sila naman, like, sila nagluto, kumain lang ako. Ate, masusumbatan kasi ako eh. Hi everyone. Welcome to Hi everyone. Huh? Alam nyo, hindi talagang buhay ng may asawa. As a housewife, talaga naman, pinit-lahan. Hirap talagang maging housewife. Hara is the best, as in, right? Like, come to Hara tonight, okay? Mas nagpa-perform yung drag mother ko tonight. Kasi magugas. Kasi hiring po kami ng dishwasher. Alam mo, sorry, I'm busy being a housewife. Ang hirap kasi inaalagaan ko yung 8 naming anak. Tapos, syempre, every morning, kailangan magpa-prepare ng breakfast. Kasi, yung asawa ko is very hardworking. He's a computer engineer. And he's working in one of the biggest technological firms in the Philippines. So, yeah, I always take care of, tinan nyo, mga children namin. 1, 2, 3 children, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wala pa yung isa. Hindi pa siya kumakain. Hello, good morning po. Afternoon na pala. I was a ghost, I was alone. How about you? As a kid. So right now, syempre, kailangan natin mag-wash ng dishes para maayos. No more hiding, I'll be shining like I'm born to be. 1. I am the new dishwasher of Hara Lao Nong. Ah! Guys, kilala niyo pa si Dina Bonneville? Eto, tapos na. No, I believe it's our moment. You know, together we're going. We're gonna be golden. Maghugas ay di biro, maghapong makaupo.
Ay, hala. Naghugas na siya.
Wala kasi akong ginawa. Namalengke sila, nagluto sila, ako tulog.
Kami na dyan, madam.
No!
Gusto ko yan. Naghugas siya. Madam, may naiwan kang gamit noon, pero
Ano po yun?
gamit ko ata tsaka yung korona. Tingnan ko mamaya, madam.
Madam! Pwede pala dito na. Madam. Madam Damin. No more hiding. May looking po kayo ng dishwasher?
Kailan na po?
Asawa. Ay. Iba talaga tayong deluxe. Hiding, hiding, shining, like I'm gonna be. We dream hard. Corona. May iwan akong corona.
Ang sarap ng tinola.
Salmon, you know, together we're gonna be golden. Hi everyone, it's me, Tina Pie. Hi Christine, hi Tiffany. Ang saya talaga maging housewife. Siyempre, you have to do the chores as a housewife. Cleaners type, no, I'm a housewife. Titi? Next naman magugas dito sa amin. Bakit? Andiyan mo yung asawa ko? Fresh kahit makawalo ng anak. Husband reveal po, he's working guys. He's currently nasa office. He's a computer engineer in one of the biggest IT firm in the country. Resto po ba yan? No! It's my kitchen. It's our dirty kitchen. At ako, buti yung bahay, di ba po? Ganito po dapat eh. You will serve your family. Up with the boys. Hi, Hans. You're so handsome. Nasa likod niyo po kami. Ikaw ba to?
Ako mo yan.
See you sa Haya later. Siyempre naman. Of course, nandito ako pero kagabi ako nag-perform. Sana kagabi pa kayo pumunta. Grabe yung ugali niyo ah. Gusto niyo lang makita si Venus Deluxe. Ito pala si Mockingjay. Gusto mo lang i-follow ko ito eh. Sabi mo namang i-DM. Hans, punta ka dito. Dapat wala kang shirt, okay? Bawal naka-shirt dito. Of course, punta ka tonight. Oh, party, party! Because life is a celebration. Evil eye. Evil eye, evil eye. See you. So, itutour ko kayo sa aming bahay. This is Polly Barreto.
Sorry ha.
That's Shane.
Sorry ha.
Inugas kasi ako sa housewife. Yung asawa ko nag-work. Thank you po. So yeah, that's it guys. Ikaw talaga.
Po.
Po! Okay. Hi from Marinduque. Hello, Ngani. Gising ko lang kasi, guys. Tingnan po natin ang aking mga anak na masisipag. Oh.
Nalap ka nila, misis, sana kita ka.